If you're tired of keys, worried about home security, or just want your smart home to feel smarter, the Nuki Smart Lock Pro might just be the game changer. With auto unlock, remote access, and seamless app control, this lock promises total control right from your phone. But is it worth the premium price? Or are there better options for your front door? Stick around for the full verdict. Nuki Smart Lock Product Overview. The Nuki Smart Lock Pro 2024 edition is a sleek, keyless electronic door lock designed and manufactured in Austria. It's an upgraded model from Nuki's previous generation, aimed squarely at smart home enthusiasts, tech-savvy homeowners, and Airbnb hosts who want remote access and better security. It works with existing Euro-profile cylinders and retrofits without the need for drilling, making it a favorite in both rental and owned properties. It integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and more, turning your smartphone or smartwatch into your house key. Nuki Smart Lock Performance. We tested the Nuki Smart Lock Pro for over 2 weeks, both in a suburban house and a city apartment. Setup was surprisingly fast, under 10 minutes, and the auto unlock feature triggered consistently as we approached the door with a phone in our pocket. Remote locking and unlocking via the Nuki app was instantaneous, and we faced zero Bluetooth or Wi-Fi disconnections. Voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant was smooth, with minimal delay. The lock motor feels strong and snappy, unlocking in under 3 seconds in most cases. Even after stress testing with 20+ lock cycles daily, it never faltered. However, auto-lock timing can sometimes feel a bit too aggressive or too relaxed, depending on how your door closes. But that's configurable in the app. Features and tech. Let's break down what makes the Nuki Smart Lock Pro stand out. Auto unlock and lock. It detects your smartphone as you approach and unlocks automatically, perfect for hands-free entry. Remote access via Nuki Bridge included. Whether you're traveling or letting in guests from afar, full remote control is built in, no need for add-ons. Apple HomeKit plus Matter support. Works with virtually every smart home ecosystem, Alexa, Google Home, and now Matter, offering future-proof integration. Compared to competitors like August Wi-Fi Smart Lock or Yale Assure SL, the Nuki wins on easy retrofit, multi-platform support, and better guest control features. Design and build. The Nuki Smart Lock Pro sports a clean cylindrical design with a premium matte aluminum dial. It's available in black or white and mounts inside your door, keeping your exterior hardware unchanged, perfect for renters. While it's a bit bulkier than some other smart locks, measuring around 110 millimeters in diameter, it feels solid, durable, and premium in hand. Turning the knob manually also feels smooth and tactile. There's a subtle LED ring on the front that changes color based on the lock's status, adding both visual clarity and a modern aesthetic. Pros. Seamless smart integration with Alexa, Google, HomeKit, and Matter. Smooth auto unlock and reliable remote access. Easy retrofit, no drilling, ideal for rentals and homeowners. Included bridge enables real-time control from anywhere. Cons. Battery life could be better with frequent remote use. Only works with Euro profile cylinders, limited in US without adapter. Pricey compared to budget alternatives. Setup and installation. Installation is one of Nuki's biggest selling points. You don't need to remove your existing door hardware. The Smart Lock Pro attaches to your existing Euro cylinder via adhesive or mounting bracket and is ready to go in under 10 minutes. Nuki provides clear step-by-step guidance in the app, including alignment tools and a calibration process. US users may need a cylinder adapter, but once that's sorted, installation is a breeze. Final verdict. If you're a smart home enthusiast, frequent traveler, or Airbnb host, this lock ticks almost every box. From fast remote access and hands-free unlocking to deep smart assistant support, it brings incredible value in a sleek, rental-friendly design. However, if you're in the US and don't have a Euro cylinder, installation may require extra effort or an adapter kit. Also, it's on the pricier side. Still, for those who want security, convenience, and smart control all in one device, the Nuki Smart Lock Pro is one of the most complete smart locks we've reviewed this year.